Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a fundamental aspect of any successful relationship: effective communication. We will share some valuable insights on how to build a strong connection through clear and open communication. Number 1. Importance of communication. Communication is the backbone of any healthy relationship. It allows partners to express their needs, share their feelings, and resolve conflicts. Without effective communication, misunderstandings and resentment can build up, leading to relationship strain. So, let's discuss why communication is so vital. First and foremost, open dialogue is crucial. Partners should feel comfortable expressing themselves honestly, without fear of judgment or reprisal. By fostering an environment of openness, both individuals can contribute to a more authentic and transparent connection. Active listening. Listening is just as important as speaking. Active listening means giving your undivided attention, seeking to understand your partner's perspective, and responding empathetically. Number 2. Tips for effective communication. Now that we understand the significance of communication, let's explore some practical tips to enhance our communication skills within relationships. Use I statements. Using I statements instead of you statements can help prevent blame and defensiveness. For example, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," try saying, "I feel unheard when I share my thoughts." Practice empathy. Empathy is key to fostering understanding and compassion. Put yourself in your partner's shoes and try to understand their emotions and perspectives. This will create a safe space for open communication. Non-verbal communication. Communication isn't just about words. Pay attention to non-verbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions. They can provide valuable insights into your partner's emotions. Number 3. Conflict resolution. Conflict is a natural part of any relationship. The key is to resolve conflicts constructively, maintaining respect and understanding. Let's explore some strategies for effective conflict resolution. Active problem solving. When conflicts arise, approach them as a team. Collaboratively identify the issue, brainstorm possible solutions, and work together to find a compromise that satisfies both partners. Take breaks when needed. Sometimes, emotions can run high during conflicts. It's okay to take breaks and cool down if needed. Stepping away for a while allows for reflection and prevents arguments from escalating. Seek professional help when necessary. If communication challenges persist or become overwhelming, seeking the guidance of a relationship counselor or therapist can provide valuable support. They can help you develop effective communication strategies tailored to your specific needs. And that wraps up our discussion on effective communication in relationships. Remember, building a strong connection requires ongoing effort and dedication to open and honest communication. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can foster a healthy and thriving relationship. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and keep communicating.